This conference will now be recorded.
Can you see my screen right now?
Yeah.
Okay. As yeah, we have stopped yesterday at the Twitter. So basically, Twitter is just uh, adding tweets. That's it. We don't have groups or any other things in Twitter.
Mm.
And most of the brands will use to tweet like not daily ones. Like if you can, if you want to tweet, you can tweet multiple times
Huh.
irregularly.
Yeah.
And hashtags are important in Twitter. So mostly Twitter will be used by celebrities or celebrities or companies, but normally and the politicians. And this will be in trending. Because of that reason, most of the trending hashtags will be in the Twitter. Okay. So here you can see these trending hashtags, and these are the paid ad, but these are the trending hashtags which you can see. And these trending hashtags will be seen based on the location. My location, these are the trending hashtags, and they will be different based on different locations. Hashtags. Okay, hashtags are important in Twitter. Now, when we come to paid advertisements, in Twitter also we do have paid advertisements. Uh, okay, so this is the dashboard for the Twitter advertisements, campaigns, and all. So we can see here under the campaign. Pranava, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
Okay. Same like Facebook. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. In Twitter also same like Facebook, we do have advertisements, and these are the ads, like campaign objective. Like if we go here under the campaign section and we click on create
Mhm.
campaign, we do have these campaign options. Okay, we do have different things as per the stages, like the awareness stage, consideration, and conversion. Okay, awareness stage, reach, just reaching our ad to the people. Consideration is video. So for this video views also we can consider as awareness. Okay, these things
Mhm.
what we decide, that will be awareness or consideration or conversion. Reach means
Mhm.
they'll see the image ad, or maybe whatever the tweet which you have made, that will be seen. Video views also, that will be seen. But if let's say it's a 15-second video or 30-second video, if they watch the complete video, then we can say they have considered the video. Or
Mhm.
is it at the awareness stage the video, then we can consider it as an awareness campaign only, because they are just viewing the video.
Mhm.
Pre-roll views, pair your ad with premium content. Same. This is also the video view. App installs. App install can be considered as a consideration, because they are
Yeah.
taking an action, website traffic, and engagement. Okay, get people to engage with your tweet. Tweet means they might retweet, or they might, like the tweet.
Uh-huh.
Consideration, app re-engagement. Get people to take action in your app. Like once they install the app, they need to again come back and take some action in the
Mhm.
app. So that is the app re-engagement. Conversion, to visit and take action on your website. So here website traffic is just a consideration. So after coming to the website, they need to take an action, maybe click on a button or add into cart. That
Mhm.
kind of actions will be considered as conversions. Keyword, this is just not yet released, so it was in the beta version, but they are adding that. Keyword means maybe when you search in the search bar with a particular keyword, or if you are tweeting with particular keywords, then this
Mhm.
might come up. Okay. Now let's see the reach. In Twitter, the advertisements are very less. Most of the companies will not promote their ads in Twitter. Only the bigger companies will promote in Twitter. Okay, because Twitter is mostly for the most of the audience are celebrities. Of course, normal users will be there, but there
Mm-hmm.
is hashtag trending and these things will happen in different way, and we can't promote exactly what we want. So here are the campaigns. We have made it as a reach campaign name, funding source. So same in on how the Facebook ad is, like the campaign, ad group, and the ad copy. So total three things will be there here. So under the campaign we have the A by B testing, which we don't want, which we are not doing. Okay, if we write A by B testing on, we have the first test and the second test. It will be budget optimization. We will add it in the under the ad groups. We don't need the budget optimization also. Advanced should spend. We don't give like if you want particular amount for the campaign, we can give it here. Ad group. So here this is important, and under the ad group section. So budget it was mentioned as $100. Let us go with that. Okay, daily ad group budget.
Mm-hmm.
Total ad group we are not giving. We are just giving daily $100. Start date, run indefinitely. Okay, goal is to reach maximum reach. Like we are doing the awareness campaign, so we need to reach our tweet to the maximum number of people.
Mm-hmm.
And here we do have another option with reach with engagement. Engagement means they might like or retweet our tweet. So this also we can mention, but as it is a new launch the product, then we can go with the maximum reach. Auto bid and target cost. Mostly we will not select auto bid anytime, any particular time. We will
Mm-hmm.
not take the auto bid option, because Twitter might spend more money when we give auto bid, or any platform might spend more money when we are doing auto bid. Here it might show automatically maximize your result at a lower price, but it might spend more cost, and more money will be costed for us. So so we are giving around, it was suggest, let's give around $3. Suggestion is $3.50, but we are giving $3. Average cost per thousand impressions. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
$3 will be per thousand impressions. If thousand people saw the ad, then we will spend $3. Pay by impression. As this is a reach, it is impression. But if it is under conversion or under app installs, we might have a drop down here. So instead of impression, we will have a different options. Ad frequency. Yeah, we can set our ad frequency. One impression for 7 days, or one impression for 1 day, or two impressions for 1 day. This is Twitter, so there will be many tweets going on, and so we might make, if you want to make changes, we can make changes like two impressions a day or one impression a day. Pacing standard or accelerated. Standard means normally it will consume the $3 and $100 per day budget overall, like within 24 hours. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this budget will be utilized for every hour, and slowly it will consume. But if we give it as accelerated, within 1 hour it will consume the budget.
Okay.
Okay, accelerated means just fast. It will show the ads fast. App conversions, we don't have the, it's not a conversion campaign, so it's
Mm-hmm.
optional. But if we are going in the conversion campaign, this should be mandatory.
Okay.
Placements where our tweet need to be seen. Home timeline. Home timeline is, this is the home and this is the timeline. So yes, Arnima.
No, no, nothing.
Okay. This is the timeline. So here it will come up, and here on the sidebar, this born of thrill. So here this is the promoted. So the ad will be shown like this: promoted by Adidas, Nike, TVs at the top. So whatever, whoever they are, the company name, profile, search results, and replies. Okay. So these are the different places where our ad will be shown. Now demographics to whom we need to see. So here right now our audience estimate is 26 million to 28 million. But if you make the changes, specific location, it was set to India right
Your
now.
screen is gone.
Sorry.
Your screen is on. Yeah, now I can see.
Oh, okay. Screen. Yeah. Okay. So these are the demographics. So here we have 26 to 28 million.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Here the gender, we can select any and age range and the specific location. Right now it was set to only India. We can make whatever location we want, or we can pick this radius around a new around a location also. Uh, like we can just type. So you can just type your house, and you can just take 5 mile radius or something. You can point it. So this is the point, and this will be the 5 miles. So I'm increasing it to 10 miles. So this area will be covered up for the advertisements. If it is 15, it will be going to 15 miles.
Mm-hmm.
So this option also we do have. Devices, in which device we want, like mostly devices for the awareness campaign is not required, but when you are going with the consideration campaign for video is also not required devices, but when you are going with app installs, if it is an Android or app, then only you can go with the Android. If it is an iOS app, you will go with the iOS app. Okay. So if you have two different ads, two different apps, and if you want to promote two apps, you will create different campaigns, for one for iOS and one for Android. The rest all will be same mostly.
Okay.
So device carrier, model, and optional. These are optional. Audience, we don't have the custom audience right now. Just it's optional, but we can give that app activity, combined list, or website activity. Targeting features additionally with these location and the demographic, like the age and details, we can add these details under the targeting feature. Keywords, if people are looking for particular keyword or particular hashtag, we can add that keyword, or follower look alike, can add these things. Interest, if they are interested in something. So for example, if you are selling a game app, so they need to be interested under the gaming section. So under the gaming section, what kind of games they are interested in: computer game, board games, casino console or casino games, or whatever the games they are interested in. So this is important, because if you are promoting for a particular product, we need to add that particular product in this section. Okay. Without adding this particular interest or anything, follow lookalike and things like that, we'll just promote it on within these locations to 1.2 or like 4 million or something. After adding games, it came to 1.2 million. Without adding, it will be showed to all the people in this particular location. So where is this? Yeah, interest and movies and TV shows or events. If you have any events in that particular location, we have the different options. Everything was shown optional, but we need to add at least one thing so that we can show our ad to the right people. Okay. Additional option: retarget people who saw your engager or tweets. These also you can see that, like if you have some followers, if you have a tweet which was reached to many people, then you can select that tweet, or people who are seeing that tweet, then that people will again engage with our ad. But it's not exactly required. Not only with these things, if you select these, The ad will be shown to these people and this console, gaming console people also. Both the people it will be seen. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Also target followers of my follow. Like I'm creating a campaign, so it was asking for my followers also. It's not required. Target logged in status, both logged in and logged out. So it depends, whatever you want. Targeting strategy. This was newly introduced. Most of the people is to buy ad but not outside. Okay, so sometimes it will go outside of the targeting. So it was telling to optimize targeting. So no, this is like expanding our audience. We have given 1.2 million to 1.3 million. Now, if we enable this optimized target, it might go up to 2 million, like a related audience also. If there are any other audience outside, then it will go, and the our ad will be shown to that people also.
I can't see your screen.
You can't hear me?
I can't see your screen.
Okay, okay. Now,
Yeah.
okay. So I just clicked on next for the ad details. So here under the ad group details, you have seen the details, all these things. And
Yeah.
next we are, if you click on the next, we'll come to the ad. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
same like Facebook, the campaign, ad group, and the ad. That's it. Destination is not required because it's an awareness campaign. So now we
Yeah.
need to create the ad copy. So like this, we can create the test ad. And if you want to mention something, you can mention. Mention means like if you are tagging some cricketers or anyone, just you can add the rate and you can tag them.
Mm-hmm.
This is the Twitter profile. Like for example, if I go to my profile section, this is what it is. Okay. The URL, same. This is the username. If you want to tag this particular profile, you
Mm-hmm.
can do this. Okay. So we're tagging them. Like if there is any company and if you want to tag that particular company, yeah, here it is. So you can tag that particular company. You can mention it. And that is a tweet. Oh shit. So here it was asking for single media or multiple media. You can give single media, or sometimes people will just add only tweets. So here you can see the ad. So this is the promoted by this company. So they are just giving only hashtag. They are promoting only hashtags. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
not the images or anything. But some people might promote images. Some people might promote the videos. So it depends on what their ad is. So we can add the media.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. the size is too small to stealing, but yeah, we can add the image.
Mm-hmm.
Let me some other image. So this is the only size. So now the image is too big actually. So okay, this is the size we can use.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is how our ad looks like, promoted, and the tweet, the hashtags, mentions, and mentions mostly in the promotion. They'll not do that, but this is how the image looks like. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the ad copy. You can confirm, and we can click on next for the review. Okay. Campaign details, reach, funding source, no payment method, campaign budget optimization of ad group, $100, maximum reach, and all ad details. So if you launch the campaign, it will start. So this is the campaign. Once the campaign is there, we have the we can edit the campaign and add groups and ads. Okay, audiences. If we save those things, whatever we have given, the people in a particular location within the 15-mile radius, and people who are interested in gaming, those are the audiences. Those are one audiences for this particular campaign. So we can edit those details. Same like Facebook, whatever we have. Okay, these are the payment details. So these are the campaign, and this is the graph, like how many impressions we are getting, how much money we have spent. That details will be shown here per day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is the campaign part. Everything is again creatives, tweet composer, tweets or media, everything will be just tools for the campaign. So mostly will work only on this particular campaign section. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
analytics, we have these analytics for all our tweets, organic and paid. So here you can see it was telling 28 days summary, tweet impression 5 impressions, and followers 1 or 2. Okay, these are the same. This is not in just 28 days. This are all. So in August we have 5 tweet impressions and 1 new follower, just for the one month, for one particular month. In July 0, in July 0, June 0, June 2 mentions was there. There's one follower has been unfollowed. So like this, we can get all the details with each tweet. For every tweet we can get the details. Okay, and video activity, same, both tweet activity and video activity, we can separate the tweets and videos. So here when you see the August, it will show videos and all the normal tweets. If you separate it, it will be separated under the analytics section. Under tools, we have ads editor, where we can edit our ads. Audience, whatever the audience we will have, that we can do that, or we can create the audience in this audience section. App manager, events manager. Events manager is important. So here under the event manager, we can create our own pixel.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so here when we come to the event manager, at first it will say add event source like this on the about top. If we click on add event source, it will, I agree, and it will give 3 things: pixel code, install with tag manager, or install with conversion API. As we are using the Google tag manager, we can go with Google tag manager. Okay, once we save this, this is the window which we will see. Twitter pixel, copy. Okay, we can copy the Twitter pixel for the tag manager itself.
Mm-hmm.
And once we add it to the website, we can create all the details, like whatever that we want. Like here under tools, audience. So here we can create the audience from the website activity or list or app activity, app activity combination, do not reach list, catalog activity. So whatever it is, we need to have our pixel code installed in the website. So for that purpose, we need to go to tag manager. Go to your tag manager and click on add a new tag under the tag section or overview. Anywhere it's fine. In this ad manager tag configuration. So right now we are doing the Twitter ads. So you can look for the Twitter. Just search for Twitter. Okay, here is the Twitter Universal website tag. You can select that, and it was asking for the pixel ID. So here we have the pixel ID.
Mm-hmm.
This is the pixel ID which we can copy, and just we can paste it. Okay, and what we want, select the tag event. We want page view, content, search, add to cart, and all. If you want multiple, we can create multiple tags, but as of now we will go with the page views. Okay, and
Your
for
screen is
targeting,
gone again.
sorry.
Your screen is gone again.
Okay, and it came back.
No.
I'm resharing it. Okay,
Yeah, now it came. Yeah.
okay. So this is the configuration. Wait a minute, we'll start from the beginning. Okay, under Google, in the Google Tag Manager, we can go to tags or under the overview section. You can click on add a new tag. Click on the tag configuration. Select for Twitter. As we are doing the Twitter, you can select the uh, Twitter Twitter Universal website tag and the Twitter pixel ID. We can copy and paste our pixel ID,
Mm-hmm.
and we can select anyone. Only one we can select. If we want different, we need to create multiple tags. Okay, and then triggering for all the pages.
Okay.
Okay, all page view actions will be taken, and this name will be Twitter page view. We can save it and we can submit it. Okay. As of now, I'm not submitting. When you have time, you can look at it. If required, I'll delete it. This is for my Twitter account, the Pixel ID. So you can go ahead and I'm like just deleting these changes. So from your Twitter account for AR Web Media Twitter account, you can create that and you can create the Pixel ID so that you can see some uh, visitors. Twitter will also track how many people are coming to your site and all the details will be tracked from the Twitter. Okay.
Okay.
So this is basically Twitter. Twitter is simple like tweets. Tweets mostly Twitter will not be used by all the people. And when we are targeting the ads, also when we are creating the campaigns, also under the ad group section, we don't have much options. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
like under the ad group section, location based and what are their interests. They are interested in these things, these things, these things. That's it. Mostly it will work for the awareness campaigns, and so that is the reason most of the companies will not promote in Twitter. The bigger companies will do that, the high details. So this is Twitter. Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So now After Twitter, we'll go with LinkedIn. Okay. Uh, Arunima, for LinkedIn, I will continue tomorrow. Is it possible to have a 2 hour session tomorrow?
Yeah, we can have.
Okay. We can start and we can complete the LinkedIn tomorrow itself.
Yeah, no issues. Yeah.
Okay. Twitter, most of the people will not use. Facebook, all the members will use, but LinkedIn will be used by B2B section for business to
Yeah.
business. So this is important. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll start tomorrow and we'll complete it. If required, we'll have the 2 hour session so that it would be good. Okay.
Yeah, okay. Sure. Thank you.
Sure. And go through these details, and if you have anything, just let me know.
Yeah.
The Twitter.
Oh, sorry, Avinash, just one thing.
Yeah.
When I like who is going to make a resume and all this thing?
Okay.
Because I've
When
been asking to this person. I forgot his name. What is his name?
Vikram or someone else.
Anyways, has yeah, like I've been talking. Yeah. So
Okay.
you know, like I don't know how much time is remaining for our training. So
Mhm.
like, I just asked him today, like what is the next scenario. So he told me like he'll send it for marketing. So but who is going to make resume and all this thing?
No, no worries, Arunima. Like they will help you with the resume as per their detail, their job profile, whatever the jobs you are getting on. And if you want, I can help you with the resume also. No worries on that.
Because
But the problem is
Avinash,
they will add fake. Yeah,
because lots of jobs are coming and it's keep on coming and it's going. So that's why like uh, I don't know, like I some kind of have like they are not asking like very much experience, they are just asking 1 to 3 years of experience.
Arunima, I'll do one thing. So see, our classes will be completed within a week mostly. Okay.
Yeah.
After LinkedIn, we will complete our social media, the organic part
Mhm.
and social media part.
Mhm.
Then we can go to Google Ads and we can complete it. Mostly within a week, we can complete our session. And I'll
Okay.
inform him. We are going to complete in a week, so that he will be also ready with the resume and details. So it would be fast.
Yeah. And also meanwhile please you also send me some links to study for the interviews and
Yeah,
all.
yeah, you have messaged me that. Okay, I'll send the links so that you can look into those details. Okay, yes,
Yeah, sure.
I'll do that.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye bye.
Bye.